Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to another decoration video. In this decoration of mine, I don't have any particular type of decoration in mind, but I know I need some materials and balloon, and then we'll see how it turns out. I'm trying to measure out where I'm going to hang this material, and let's see how it goes. And I don't know what this material is, but I'm going to join the both of them together. You know, the lemon green is going to be behind the black net. Let's see. I don't know how this my decoration will turn out, but I hope it's gonna be, you know, manageable. I am using running stitches to match them. So I have hanged the material. I had to stitch this material to my cotton to make it stable. Yeah, it's gonna be temporary something, but yeah, even though uh, it should be stable. Then I got this plastic from Shine. I'm thinking of what else could I do to this material to make it, make it more lively, So I thought of using that plastic to make some kind of star, or what do they call it? I don't know what they call it. Putting some balloon in there, and I stitch it to the cotton, to the material down there. I stitch it with my material and with my cotton, because I tried to stitch it only on the material. It was not really stable. It was bending and falling. It was not standing the way I want it to be. So my own cotton made it more stable, and yeah, I stitched it with a needle and a wool, not with a thread. A thread was so plain, couldn't help me in any way. So I used wool to stitch it, to stitch the balloon to the cut, to my cotton and to my decoration material. So I think I got what I'm looking for. That is a happy dance, because it looks like what I'm doing is working. So moving forward, my decoration material is still scanty, so I need to put in some balloons somehow. At first I thought of stitching one balloon to the cotton, to make it like a dropping balloon, like that. But on a second thought, that would be a lot of work. I'll have to be climbing up the stool and then coming down, and I don't think I have strength for that. So I had this long plastic. I think I got it. I had it already since the last birthday decoration that I made. So I found it and I said, okay, that would be a great idea. Let me do something like a zigzag, something curvy to this material. But at the end of the day, what I did was not a curvy, it was something else. Yeah. But I think it turned out very good. Great. Yeah. At least something was happening to the material order. Yeah. Moving on. Let's see how it will turn out. serve a living God. I serve a living God. Even the devil knows. Say not true. I serve a living God. Even the devil. So, my beautiful people, what do you think about this very simple decoration? I think it's looking good. It is great for the occasion. Yeah. I beg, don't mind me. Happiness is free of charge. So, wonderful people, if you find this decoration video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.